Hey, what's up? So today on this video I'm gonna do an unboxing on the Canon M5, and this one came with the MAN adapter. So I think I had a really good deal. So let's open this up and see what we got here. So this one comes with the lens kit. So it comes with the 18 to 150. So we got the guides. Got charger. Then we have the lens. Actually, this lens feels like way smaller compared to the other cameras. I was like, this is by the way, this is like my first a camera like this. I always used to have like GoPros and iPhones, which they take really good pictures, but I wanted to try something new, and more likely gonna do a video comparing this camera to the iPhone 10 and see how close they come, because in my opinion the iPhone 10 takes really good pictures, so I really want to try that out too. So here's the lens, and here's the body. Which it feels like really light, and it looks really nice too. And compared to the other ones, I was like looking on the buying the 80D. This was so much smaller than the other ones. That's why I got it pretty much, because I wanted to have something compact, and I ain't gonna be doing something professional anyway. So I figured this would do the job. And with the MAN adapter, I can put the other lenses, like from the 80D and the 6D and all of them. So I figured it would be good enough, and I really like this camera. I look into some reviews and all that, so I'm gonna do my own personal review and see like how it is for like a first timer, because like I said, I never owned one of these before, so I'm excited to try this out. And then you got your USB cable and your battery. Oh, and your camera strap. So it looks like that's all, and of course we got the MAN adapter. Then it comes with a tripod mount, so that's it for the unboxing. And like I said, I'm gonna make another video about like, I guess like a review, like to see how good it is, like for first timer using a first timer camera like this. And more likely gonna do another video comparing it to the iPhone 10 when it comes to picture quality, because I went to New York a couple weeks ago, and all my pictures I went taken with the iPhone 10, and in my opinion they look like really good. But well, not a lot light, so I wanna try wanna do a comparison on the low light with the iPhone 10 and this. So I'm really excited about this, so I just wanted to do a short unboxing. So that's it. So I hope you like the video, and thanks for watching.